color is this? Red. Say it with me. Red. Red, like an apple, is red. Red. What color is this? Orange. Like an orange, a delicious orange. This is the color orange. This is the word orange. Say it with me. Orange. Where could we match orange? There it is. What color's next? Green. Look at that. What's on that card, learners? Broccoli. Broccoli is green. This is broccoli, and this is the word green. Can you say green with me? Green. What color do you see next? Purple. Look closely. Purple. What's something we eat that's purple? Grapes. Here we have grapes that are purple, and we have the word purple. I love the color purple. What's next? Yellow. What's something we eat that's yellow? A banana. We have our banana that's yellow, and we have the word yellow. Can you say it with me? Yellow. The next color we have is blue. Here's the word blue. Can you say it with me? Blue, like as, just like blueberries. Blue. I love to eat blueberries. What color is next? Pink. Pink like a peach. Pink. Can you say pink? Pink. Now we have gray. Look at this. What animal is gray? A seal. A seal is gray. That's the only thing on here that we don't eat. Look. Next is black. Say it with me. Black. Just like these. Blackberries. Black. And last we have brown. Like the outside of a coconut. Brown. Can you say it with me? Brown. Great job saying your colors today, learners.